Titus. Hey, snow monster. What have you been doing? You been eating some snow? Go get your brother. Go get your brother. Go get your brother. Okay. Oh, whoops. Can I have it? Here, Nero, give it to me. Can I have the ball? Can I have the ball, please? Thank you. Hey, go get it, boys. Go get it.